guy. Oh, splash zone. Alright, we are on the lake today. Kinda cold, kinda warm. A little windy, but be alright. It's about, I don't know, 70, 75 degrees. We'll see what we can catch. Alright, now we're going to be throwing the power bait minnow, 3-inch size here. It's a good little bait. Let's see what it'll do here. It's number size 2, number 2 hook, however you call it. Maybe too shallow. Oh, there's something. What? Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Oh, I don't know if the camera could get that, but big boy just jumped there around the corner. Let's go see if we can catch him. Kind of shallow here. Oh, too far, too far, too far, too far. Oh yeah, look at all those fish. Wind's kicking a little bit. Went out this one. It's kind of hard with the wind and no anchor here. Kind of shallow here. Wasn't recording, but we got a good one. Started recording a little late, but look at that, Berkeley minnows. Little 2-pounder. Little something slight right there. Look at that. Biggest one of the day so far. That's a beautiful fish. Go here. Oh, splash zone. Fourth time's the charm. Oh yeah, 4th time's the charm. He's putting a good fight for his size. That's a decent bass. A little pounder. 1/4 pounder with cheese here.